What if I told you now there's an option to grow your Shopify business and get rewarded for it? Sounds pretty ideal, am I right? Well, that's actually something that Shopify recently just launched. I was browsing my Discord server and somebody pointed this out to me. Link for the Discord is in the description, and it instantly intrigued me. So now Shopify is kind of becoming a bank as well. So in this video, we're gonna go over everything you need to know about this so that you don't miss out and so that you're fully informed. And if you like this kind of content, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you join our little family here. So let's look at the overview now. As Shopify says here, you can basically skip the bank now and you can manage all of your money and your business in one place. So basically they're allowing you to get a Shopify card that you can use to manage your money, pay for your expenses or whatever. And this card apparently gives you 2% cash back when you spend on marketing, shipping, and growing your business, and 10% cash back when you hire people from the Shopify experts team. So you can see why this is kind of a genius idea for Shopify. They're bringing everything to one ecosystem. It kind of reminds me of Apple in a way and how they have everything in one ecosystem, and that's why a lot of people actually choose to buy Apple products as opposed to Microsoft, for example, because it's nice to be able to have everything in one ecosystem. And it's cool that Shopify is doing the same thing here. Now, the first thought that I had when I first looked at this is, wow, they're literally copying BREX. BREX is a company that I've been talking about for a pretty long time, basically ever since I found out about them. There's also a link in the description to get $250 when you open an account with BREX, so check that out. It's a win-win, but I've been using BREX again since I found out about it nearly a year ago, and it's exactly what Shopify is doing here. So it's basically a seamless banking solution for your online business. They also give you a cashback card. The rewards aren't as good, but they also have a lot of other ways that you can redeem the rewards, not just cashback. You can redeem the rewards for travel, even for cryptocurrencies, which is really cool. But I gotta say, it's very tempting to take up Shopify on this deal right here. If you log into your Shopify store, if you go to the balance tab here, you can easily open an account. I haven't done it yet. I only found out about this yesterday and I wanted to make a video about it ASAP, but this is how the dashboard looks. Now, a little catch here is that the rewards only can add up to $2,000 per year, which is kind of a bummer. BREX doesn't have any sort of cap on this, so you can earn rewards on BREX basically infinitely. That definitely puts a damper on this whole offer in my opinion, but what's cool is that you can get your money faster. Now, the thing is, again, BREX also offers that. They have an integration with Shopify that allows you to get money back faster, but you have to pay a fee. And I'm guessing this is probably what Shopify is going to be doing to get paid faster as well, like to earn your balance faster, is that they'll charge you a fee for doing that. So I don't really think it's worth it. I don't actually use that feature on BREX because, again, I don't need that money, instantly. I can wait 4, 5, maybe 6 days to get it. But what I also think is really cool about this is how it's really starting to look like banks are gonna go out of business. I mean, think about it. Why would anyone now choose to store their money in a bank that lends out their money, first of all, and that also charges them fees? Now, Shopify, for example, won't charge you fees. You can manage all of your money just directly from your account. And honestly, BREX does the same thing. I've been thinking about just switching from my bank account just directly to BREX because it's way more seamless. And again, I just feel like it's much easier to use. I hate going to the bank, logging into my bank, and even sending wires. Like if I have to send international wires, which I have to do pretty often since I have some manufacturers in China, at my regular bank, which is Wells Fargo, they charge me $45 every single time that I send that wire. On BREX, however, it's free. You literally don't pay and it goes through instantly. So now the next concern that you may be having and that I'm thinking about is, how about security, right? Because that's what I feel like is the last thing that banks have to offer, is some sort of safety. But Shopify's got you covered. They say keep your business account safe with 2-step authentication, card control, and FDIC coverage. So you're insured up to $250,000, which I believe is very similar to a bank. So I just looked it up. The standard deposit insurance cover limit is $250,000 per depositor. So I guess there's really nothing else that a bank has to offer other than this. I mean, yeah, they give you loans, but a lot of times, you don't really use your own bank for loans. For example, I have a property that I have a loan on, but I didn't use my actual bank for it. I actually shopped around for loans and picked a bank that I've never even really heard of, but they had really good rates and they accepted me pretty easily. So like I said earlier, banks really are starting to feel like walking dinosaurs at this point, especially with all the crypto stuff going on. I don't know if you guys have been really keeping up with it. I know that I haven't been doing a great job at updating you guys on everything I'm doing in crypto, but this is why you need to join our Discord server, because I've been actually calling out basically everything I'm investing in on there. And one of the coolest things that I see with crypto is the ability to earn more passive income than you would be earning through your bank. So that's what I've been very interested in lately when it comes to crypto, aside from NFTs, is farming income. I'm trying to invest into things that are gonna allow me to make more money passively. So if you're still watching, let me know in the comments if you would like me to make a video about some of these passive income crypto opportunities. It's really interesting to me and I would love to make content on it, but I wanna see if you guys wanna see that stuff or not. But just to summarize everything, I think this is a great move for Shopify, even though I don't think I will be using this anytime soon, because I still believe that BREX is a better option overall. This is definitely something that I think is smart for Shopify, and I love the direction that they're going, which is just trying to keep everything in one ecosystem to really benefit their users, which is awesome. I mean, anytime that a company is taking steps to benefit their users, that's a win in my book. And again, that's why I'm a big fan of this cryptocurrency blockchain movement, because it allows everybody to win or get a piece of the pie. So Shopify is always making smart moves. Honestly, they're an amazing company. I only wish that they would approve me for their affiliate program. If any of you work at Shopify, please hit up Toby for me. Let me get an affiliate link, please. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more videos that make you money and keep you up to date, then subscribe to the channel with notifications on. And that's it. See ya.